So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates we are going to be posting for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow our Telegram channel in order for you not to miss out on updates. Now, let's take a look at what GBP USD doing for us for the week, right? In order for us to be able to predict what the GBP USD will be doing for us this week, we need to go to our weekly time frame and what the trend is. So before you take a trade, first thing you would ask yourself, the first thing you must know, what is the trend? That is what you want to know. Now, when you zoom it out, you will see that the market is trending to the upside. So basically, there are main three movements in the market. See, the market is trending to the upside, right? Which is very much common, right? Or market is literally trending to the downside, right? Or market is literally ranging. These are the movements you will most likely find in the market. So either market is trending to the upside, or it is trending to the downside, or it is ranging. And as you can see right here on our GBPUSD, we are trending what to the upside. So it is very clear that market is what trending to the upside right now. Now let's zoom it in right here, guys. This is the move market give us, impulse move, and this comes the pullback phase, right? Now this is also another impulse move, and this here is our pullback phase. With this pullback phase, we will be expecting market to push up again to give us another impulse move. Now, guys, zoom it in again. There was once a double bottom here, which made market to push up, right? Which formed an high. Then here comes the higher low. Then this is the higher high, right? Now this is the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on GBPUSD should be another higher high that should push up to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So a new impulse move went to the upside, what we are going to be expecting on our GBPUSD. So that GBPUSD should push up and take out this previous high, thereby forming a high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPUSD, you want to be anticipating for a high, you want to be anticipating for a bullish move. Now guys, zoom it in also. This is the previous rejection zone, right? Which we have highlighted. Why is it a previous rejection zone? It's simple. When market push up, there was a pullback in the market because before this massive high played out, which pushed up. So ever since then, market has been dropping, which it has gone to tap it to test it. Now market push up. Market has now come to retest it. So guys, expect a rejection from here. You are making market to push up, and we should clear this high. You will see, you will now see something like a double bottom, whereby market will clear this neckline. So above all, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our GBPUSD. Whatever you want to be doing on your GBP, going for the buy. Now, this is for swing traders, right? The traders that would like to their position for the next 2, 3, 4 weeks, going for the buy and the buy position. Now, if you're a position trader, going for the buy, market will still push up, take out this high. That means from this level to this high right here, you should be grabbing about 400 pips, right? So if you're going for the buy and put your buy position for the next 1 or 2 months, right, make about 400 pips this month. So a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting for the week. If there will be any updates on this, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.